Hello! Let's talk about pipetting angle. You might not think it, but when pipetting, the angle which the pipette is being held can play an important role in ensuring good results. Generally speaking, it's always best to keep the pipette held at the same angle for as many pipetting steps as possible. Simply put, the more consistent you remain, the more precise the results will be. Ideally, the angle which the pipette is held at should not be lower than 20 degrees. If you're pipetting very low volumes, for example 30 microliters or less, the straighter the pipette is, the better. While it not always seems to be the most comfortable way to pipette, keeping it as straight as possible can incrementally improve results.